Welcome
Welcome
back.
to another video. Today we have a Lego monster truck and a Lego little truck, even though it says monster truck. This is a monster truck. What kind of monster it is?
Look how monster it is. So if you guys watched our previous videos, we had the alligator rally. I actually have the box there. Monster rally. So we got the green alligator, and in a video before that, we did an orange monster truck that we literally destroyed the smithereens. But now I found an actual Lego monster truck.
That was a 100th
But
video.
D-Man,
Smashing the truck video.
it was actually. D-Man says
And then we smashed.
this is
Wait.
not a monster truck because it's going to be so tiny.
Yeah.
So, but we haven't done a Lego kit in a while. We've been
Guys,
really
we
focusing.
also destroyed Lloyd's dragon.
Yeah, we've been focusing
Lloyd's
on
golden
blind
dragon.
bags and
Guys, we destroyed Lloyd's golden dragon.
We did.
We crushed it by going down the
crushed
list.
it. It's actually still not back together.
Yeah, we only put the monster truck on.
So we haven't actually done a Lego kit in a while because we've been focusing so much on the Series 19 Series 20 Lego minifigure blind bags, and we found some really cool stuff like
And we also got
these gear heads. Now I know they're not Lego, but they were really super awesome to open up, see what was inside.
And we got one subscriber with them. That's not too bad.
I think we got more than that, but anyway, so
We'll just
we're
say
gonna
it's
do.
because I don't know. We never know what they subscribe at.
Okay, so
So
here's
look at
your favorite is putting
No!
the guy together. So here's the guy. He
I
needs that
always
stuff
like putting
and
guys
shield for his
together.
helmet.
Like the easiest thing is putting guys together, guys. In Lego, you can mix and match heads that you just randomly create. Just randomly create.
That was a big snap for Lego. Bam.
Guys,
Bam.
Lego characters
I'm gonna,
that
like,
you
fly
get
through
from
this
sets
kit.
that you don't like anymore. Lego characters that you get sent from, the Lego characters that you get from sets, yeah, the ones that you don't like, you can just tear apart and use them for building awesome Lego characters.
Build your custom characters, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
just like in Lego games.
Just like in Lego games. Break everything and rebuild.
Yeah, but in Lego Movie
Do you wanna
2,
try-
that is, in the Lego Movie 2 video game, you smash things, they're just piles of junk, and then you smash them, and then you rebuild stuff with them.
Okay.
You build stuff with the Lego bricks that you get.
Do you want to try to put these tires together? Do you think these are easier than the Monster Rally tires?
Yeah, look at how big
Do you think
these
actual
tires are.
Lego tires are easier?
Yeah. These are not Lego tires. These are
They're definitely big tires though. How's that one working?
these are these.
Huh?
These are these. Let me just.
Piece of cake. That worked out real easy.
me
Except
just
the
do
rim is
this.
on the wrong side, but the rim needs to go on the flat side. Like that.
Sound like this.
Yeah. See the side's hollow? So you hide that inside and the rim goes on the flat side. But that's just me being way too picky. You can do how you like. Bam. And I'm just gonna like boo, pew, pew, put the pieces together like this.
Like that.
Just like
Like what
Just
I'm
like
doing.
that. just like
what
that.
I'm doing.
This is like a whole piece, and that goes here. And then we put some chairs there. Is that what's going on? Is that what's going on? Excellent, excellent.
It's kind of tiny right now. But it's gonna get bigger. But it's not gonna get as
It's
big as this.
Definitely not going to get as big as that one. That is for sure. Love the colors in this.
We have
Orange
all
and purple.
three tires
Take a
ready.
simple monster truck and you make it so colorful. All right, let's get some spikes going on here. With
Guys.
some slopes.
Guys, if you know Lego,
hidden this time.
No, this is gonna be hidden. Wait. See?
The blue one's hidden, sort of. You can still see it from inside.
Yeah, but then it's going to have this, and then you can't see it. It's too black.
Bleh. Okay, so bam, bam. Oh,
That
this is
sounds
just
right.
flying together so easy.
This sounds right.
Except I destroyed my door here. Boom. All right, there we go. We need the hood.
How is this a door? You can't move.
We need the hood. And where'd the windshield go? I need a windshield.
It's like this.
I need a windshield.
It's like this.
What goes like that? Oh, it does too. Take that, Lego. We don't need your instructions. D-Man's figuring it out all on his own. All right, then we got some wheels.
Lego can't break! I know your instructions! I didn't even look. I thought that it was too long, but no.
Man.
I just wanted to put that on because I don't want to wait so long until I put that on, but then
Bam.
it's right on the next step.
And one more wheel.
One more wheel, and then
And then we're done.
Then we have this guy that's gonna stand up here.
Bam.
He's gonna stand up here. You can go slide through.
So this was Lego's version of a monster truck. And this is Monster Rally's version of a monster truck. I don't-
Look at that!
I don't know about you, but-
this is a better deal than that.
I think
in
the
real life.
Croc Buster.
Is
Let me see if I can get him to balance again. There we go. The Croc Buster can just devour this little Lego monster truck.
in real life.
So I think you're right.
real
I think
life-
this is a little truck,
And this
not a
is
monster
monster
truck. That is a monster truck. So Lego,
I
I
thought it was
challenge
gonna
you
be-
to make a big monster truck.
A bit,
We need to rival this thing.
no. Okay. Who made this?
Monster Rally. I don't know.
Monster Rally, make one bigger, and then Lego try and beat what Monster Rally builds. And try and
I
beat
wonder
it.
if, yeah, the Croc Buster can just eat the Lego monster truck.
And
That's,
then this guy's in here controlling it.
and he's in there controlling it.
And then this guy's like, hello, I want to come in my little truck. Ah, get it! Nom, 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 nom.
Num num num.
Nom. And then he can't fit. You have to raise the wheel.
Raise the roof.
Raise the wheels like that. Pop the roof.
Oh, and then you gotta put him in.
And then you gotta put him in. That's kind of fair. It's like, there's no way a Lego character could fit in there.
No.
It's like fair. Like this. Bam. No. He needs guys.
He's gotta sit, doesn't he? Yep.
He's gotta
Because
do
you always
that.
sit when you're driving a car
You
or a
don't go.
truck.
You don't do this. Vroom, vroom, vroom. You don't stand
You
up.
don't stand up.
Go. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
All right, let's put them together. Show everyone. Get him in there.
Then, blah. Get his helmet on. Then we go. Then we go. Then we
Bam.
go.
So, the one thing I will say about Lego, they can take a lot of pressure. All right, there it is, everyone. So there is the Lego version of Monster Truck.
And this is the version of Monster.
That felt good to do a Lego kit. It's been a while. Hey?
Look, guys, look at that! It fits all the way. Not kind of not, but it fits.
Fits all the way. All right, everyone. So if you enjoyed this video,
Then
if you
it
like
totally
Legos,
blocks it, and then he can see out
then you can see it.
better.
Make sure you hit that like
So
button.
look, how does he see out from there when he's looking down here?
I don't know, man.
He's just looking at the
He's
green.
just looking at the green. All right, everyone. So give this video a like. Hit that subscribe button. We will be back with another video. I don't know what it's gonna be. We got options. We got blind bags. We got Gearheads crates. We got Lego kits. Gearhead crate. Yeah.
You don't have any more.
Oh, I don't know about that. So guys, see what I mean?
What?
You don't know what we have and what's coming up. So make sure to hit that subscribe button.
What? You
We
don't
will
have
be
any
back.
more Gearhead
We will be
crates.
back with another video, everyone. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Bye, peace. Keep on building.
Chop, 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 chop. Bye bye, Lego Monster Truck. Baby Monster Truck. I'm a baby Monster Truck.